Okay, first we want to make this into one outlet. This is in the bedroom. Okay, now we're going to go to the other bedroom and okay, let me look up at that. You probably can't see it, but let me zoom in on it. Want to get that fixed. Okay. Alright. Then we're going to head to the bathroom and we want to get this a GFI here. Okay. Now we're gonna head down to the kitchen. And I'll get that straightened out. Okay, here, get that straightened out. Okay, I need a GFI here in the kitchen, and get that straightened out, and we need a GFI here. Okay, now let's head on down to the basement. Okay.